how to change Instagram story background. Open your Instagram app. Tap on your story to create a new story. Tap on the camera icon to take a photo. Take a photo. Now tap on the three dots at the top. Tap on draw. At the bottom, you will see different color options. Pick the color you want for your story background. Tap and hold anywhere on the photo. The entire background will change to that color. Tap on done. Now tap on the sticker option at the top. Select the photo sticker from the list. Choose the photo you want to use for your story. Adjust the photo as you like. Then tap on the next button. Tap on share. And finally tap on done. Your Instagram story is now posted with a custom background color.